Hello, it's Big Chuds, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chuds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chuds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to take a look at something from my fourth book, The Trading Journal, Trading Wisdom Part 2. And we're going to talk about emotional management. So managing your emotions is incredibly important as a trader. We are emotional creatures, and when we get involved emotionally with a trade, we lose perspective. We lose overview of what is important, managing our risk, and listening to the market. So try to be mindful. A trading journal will help you with that. And one of the things that you really want to be careful of is boredom and feeling FOMO, or fear of missing out. So you want to remember that the best trading opportunities should be obvious. They should jump up and hit you in the face. And the harder you have to look, the more likely it is you're forcing the action, right? And we tend to force the action because we're bored and we want something. We want to do something. We want to feel excited. And, rather than sitting back and waiting for opportunity, we just chase the action, end up buying bottoms and tops. And in many ways, trading is like poker. You can play any hand, right? You get two cards, you can play any hand given to you. But the key is to know which hands to play and which trades to take. So you always want to ask yourself, am I gambling or is this real opportunity? It should be the first and last question you ask yourself before you hit the buy button. We're managing our emotions, we're managing our boredom and our FOMO. And even when you're not bored, FOMO can take over, and it can be part of being bored, and because everyone else is talking about something that's going up really fast, some exciting play, some new play. Maybe you're familiar with it, maybe not. But especially if you've been on a down streak, if you're having trouble trading, FOMO can kick in quickly. Oh, this is the one. This is the trade that can fix my account. This is the trade that can snap me out of this losing streak I'm in. But you have to remember, we're in 24/7 markets, especially in crypto. So there's always going to be another opportunity. There's no reason to rush. There's no reason to feel FOMO. You should only play something that you've been watching closely and that you have a good feel for, something you have muscle memory on. It's from your watch list. It's your trade idea. FOMO is going to destroy your bankroll. You're going to chase a top. You're going to buy something having no idea what the trend is doing. So just stay patient and stick to your own plan, and don't get carried away. Don't let boredom or FOMO ruin your account. You need to be aware of your emotions. You need to be aware of how you're thinking and feeling while you're trading. And this is emotional management from my fourth book, The Trading Journal. And this is part of the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chuds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chuds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you, folks. I'll talk to you soon. Big Chuds out.